Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we are going to be drawing Iron Fist, and to best begin we are going to first lay down our basic skeleton. This is essentially a perspective pose, so we will first put down an arc like that, an arc like that, a circle here, a circle here, an arc, another arc, and a circle right here. That is his fist essentially. And then we will just put in an oval here for now, and we are putting in a circle right here. So we'll get down to doing the pencils, and so once again, arc, oval, arc, circle, arc like that, that huge circle, smaller circle, and an arc just going around there. So this is his fist. We're going to tackle this first. Inside the fist, let's draw the dimensions we need. Arc, so let's make this into this type of shape. So right around there, you could actually Google your own hand for this, or in this case your own fist. So that there is an easily put down fist. And then it's really all what we call foreshortening. The remainder of the arm only like so much visible, but we'll put in that shoulder right there. Chest, and then of course we have the head that we'll go into in a moment, but before that we will just put down, now to make it, you could make it easier and just put in another fist. It would work, it would still make for a dynamic pose, but we will just go put down a box first, again inside the circle, just to give it a, and right here we will put in like so, just 2 digits. So that is necessarily the index finger right there, the other 2 fingers, and then the small finger right there. So we are doing kind of a one of those things where the martial arts is at its peak. And then for the rest of the hand, you could just show a bit of the elbow and the forearm in the background. And then it just goes behind the do it. So With that out of the way, now we just focus on the face. Now this is not necessarily my desirable way to do anatomy, but since this is a quick exercise that we are going into, we will keep things minimum. So I put in those 3 lines like that, almost evenly apart. You could draw a line down the middle just as a guide. That is where the mask ends. The mouth, let's keep it generic. And then he has those eyes. Now those, I know that they vary by artist. So, and right in the back are and there we have it. So let's add in a collarbone. And let's give him that dragon that he has, kind of looking like the bat symbol there, but that is, I'm pretty sure that is how it is. So there we have a quick sketch of Nightwing. Now we could always finish this off with some shading. So I'm just randomly going all over the place here. So I have essentially done a little crime there by using the same pencil throughout. It is not a recommended practice, but if you're doing this quickly, I don't think that folks will mind. As you can see there that I'm not really delving much into tonal values. What I am doing is just putting some kind of quick shading down to make certain things stand out a little better. And if it is a quick exercise, I would recommend that you should also keep it to a minimum while highlighting certain aspects with regards to shadow, with regards to anatomy, and you should be fine. So there we have it. Just going to cap that off down here.
You doing speed art?
So that you now just going to make sure that I just add in some crosshatch, and I'm probably going to take some lines off right there. As a matter of fact, I know that Fist has this thing going where he has this particular fist with some energy flowing from it. So we're just going to go like that quickly. I'm going to add some shade there. And I know it appears a little rough right now, but that's how they all begin. Then I'm just quickly, again, as you see that I'm doing this very, very rough and very, very quick. So just do that little energy. Thing around his fist. And of course when you color it in, it will actually be much better. So right now, just some random inks thrown in. Color around that a little bit so that it stands out. So there we have it. A quick Iron Fist sketch. And if you Google some images, you will see that you will have lots of fun with this character and his posing. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe. Keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.